Hello YouTube, today I want to select data from database, right? Okay, SMBP start. Now open to localhost phpMyAdmin. Click protect database. Click table logo. I want to insert protect for name logo image1.png. for ID logo is empty because auto increment. Okay, click go. Alright, there's something wrong. I want to see. Maybe we edit because we need that today 17. Okay. Okay, it's true. Time to open folder. Click new folder. Give a name img_logo. Okay. Okay guys, I have two image. You can download this image from this link my description YouTube, right? Okay, I want to copy. Open folder image logo. Okay, paste here. Now I want to create new folder for database, name function. Okay, and I want to click new file, dbli.php. Okay guys, time to create database connection.php. Now open to Witry School. Okay, okay guys, we are using this SQL object oriented, right? Copy this source code. Right here, double click, paste here, and add database, db name, protect, name database, password, we don't have password, username, default name root. Okay, here and $db name. Okay, save. Now open to file index here, double click. Okay guys, for to header I want to create clean sheet. I want to make comment here, header. Okay, header deflate. Alright, and header here, and header. Alright, and I want to create new banner. Banner. Now we create to the class banner. Div and div class photo image logo only logo div. Okay, now we are create to query PHP, right? Before we create, we must to include this connection here. PHP include dbli for the function dbli.php. Okay, Control save here. Now we are to create query at here. PHP, right here, query. Okay guys, open localhost phpMyAdmin, click SQL, copy this, copy here. Now run connection query semicolon here, query variable here. We are to need array SQL fetch array. Alright, SQL fetch array variable run. Okay, we close here to PHP. Okay guys, like this. ID logo for variable slow. ID logo. Now we are copy this source code, right? Copy this source code here. Okay, ID logo, name logo, add here, img logo, name logo, img logo. Alright guys, I want to test to echo name logo, right? PHP echo $name logo here. Okay, tab, Control save. Okay, click here, localhost all tag. Right, there's something wrong because this name folder function, right, function, control save. Okay, connected successfully, but we don't need this string. Open db. Alright, is we don't need here. Control save. Okay guys, then I want to show image, right? Then we must to show image, then to open index again here, img csc. Oh my god, it's wrong. img name folder, image logo, backslash, not php echo $img logo. Okay, control save. Alright guys, this true, and I want to create here for to alt. What mean alt? Alt function for CO, right? Check engine optimization. php echo name logo, close here, semicolon. Okay, control save again. Right, I want to test inspect element. Okay, this working. lt. Okay, now I want to need 100% with image, right? Then to styling css here, click css. Okay, I want to clean code, maybe, and header here, header here, okay guys, and I want to marking again for to banner here, and banner here. Where is it? And banner. Okay, time to styling css. I want to see. Alright, banner. I want to banner margin 0 ph. Heading 0 ph. Right after banner here, logo an image. Logo img, right? We did 100% and height 22 to 5. Alright, Ctrl save, open this. Right, it's not working. Time to see what logo img with 100% with hack 2025 logo. Alright, maybe I must to save again and forget to save. Alright, I want to clear cookie, right? Control here, clear browsing, clear data. Sometimes cookies this problem. Localhost for tag. Alright, it's working, right? Okay, time to open this PHP admin. Click export again, click logo. Okay guys, what will be happen if we insert image again? I want to try export tag here to PNG, right? Then don't forget here 17 today, click go. Okay guys, we have two image, right? Time to reload again. Okay, I don't need like this, right? I want to only one image. Okay, the first time we must to repair this query, only image for the latest image. Okay guys, this I must to change this query where id logo order by id logo descending for two latest image, descending and limit only one. Control save. Okay guys, it's working. Thank you guys.